ordinance in our city wherein pag ikaw ay developer at bago, kailangan isama mo doon sa iyong development permit and development plan para hindi nasasayang yung water loss na sinasabi kanina. I-address na po natin yung gap ngayon. Dapat magkaroon tayo ng water impoundment area per developments na gagawin sa City of Malolos. At the same time, sa water quality, ilo-launch na rin po namin yung smart water na nasa mandate siya ng mga water supplier natin, dapat ang tubig ay potable. So pagka may ilalagay kami sa kada eskwelahan doon and public places, isang pindot mo lang, matetest na kagad yung tubig na inumin mo, pag safe o hindi. Boy, iinom ka na ng tubig. Pwede na. Smart approach for the quality of life. On behalf of the City Government of Malolos, I would like to express our unwavering commitment to advancing initiatives aimed at building a smarter and more sustainable city. Our dedication to this cause stems from our firm belief in harnessing technology and innovation to enhance the quality of life for all residents. As a city, we recognize the importance of embracing smart solutions to address urban challenges such as traffic congestions, environmental sustainability, and efficient resource management. We are fully committed to leveraging the latest technologies, collaborating with stakeholders, and investing resources to achieve our smart city objectives. We understand that the journey towards becoming a smart city requires diligence, collaboration, and adaptability. Therefore, we pledge to work closely with all our stakeholders, including government agencies, private sector partners, academic institutions, and community organizations to ensure the success of our initiatives. By prioritizing smart city development, we aim to create a vibrant, inclusive, and resilient urban environment that enhances the well-being and prosperity of all our citizens. Maraming salamat po at sama-sama po tayo sa pagsulong ng isang matatag, maginhawa at panatag na buhay.